Now, here's another story from another gas planet, the largest one, of course, which is Jupiter. So the Juno spacecraft, which orbits Jupiter every 53 days, makes a close passage to Jupiter. And when it gets close to it, it's called perijove. And this is its 18th perijove, which occurred on February 12th. And that's the position right here, where it's only about 2,600 miles above the cloud tops of Jupiter. And it's cruising around about 130,000 miles per hour. So on this particular mission, it brought us some fantastic images from the Juno cam, and here's one of them. This image is very much color enhanced, and it shows an area which is basically a cyclone that's stretched out by a very vigorous jet stream. This is called a barge.
Does anyone know the nickname it's gotten?
Oh, no.
Mr. Hankey. Yes. Anyway, sorry, Patrick.
Yeah, that was a few perijoves ago. So over on the right-hand side, you can see some cyclones, some very interesting cyclones. There's a kind of brown oval there, and there's another cyclone off in distance. And in the next view here, close-up of that particular cyclone in the north-north temperate belt. Take a look at another color-enhanced picture. This is just so unusual. It's kind of brown oval with kind of a little red splotch in the middle, and there's some high-altitude ammonium clouds. In the next image, this is not taken from Juno, this is ground-based, taken on the same night when Juno flew close to Jupiter. Jupiter is about just over 500 million miles away. Now, when Juno flew by, it flew close to the Great Red Spot. So this is the Great Red Spot from Juno's vantage point on the same night as that picture was taken. And the next image just shows you a closer view of the Great Red Spot from a distance of 16,709 miles. Just incredible. There's more perijoves to come, and the next one is April 6th.